Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. Time is a fundamental part of our daily lives, and throughout history humans have developed various methods to measure and observe it. From the rising and setting of the sun to modern digital clocks, our ability to track time has evolved with technology and culture. In this exploration, we will look at some of the most common and interesting ways to see and measure time, showcasing the diversity of timekeeping across the ages. Now we will look at different ways to see time. Number 1 on our list is sundials. One of the earliest tools for measuring time, sundials use the position of the sun's shadow to indicate the time of day. Though ancient sundials are still functional in outdoor settings and serve as a reminder of time's natural origins. Number 2. Analog clocks. With their classic hour, minute and second hands, analog clocks have been a staple in timekeeping for centuries. They offer a visual representation of time that's easy to read and widely used in homes, schools, and workplaces. Number 3. Digital clocks. A modern convenience digital clock displays time numerically, typically using a 12-hour or 24-hour format. Whether on smartphones, appliances, or alarm clocks, they provide an exact and easy to read representation of time. Number 4. Hourglasses. Hourglasses use sand flowing from one chamber to another to measure specific intervals of time. While less common today, they are still used as timers in games, cooking, and decorative pieces. Number 5. These highly accurate clocks measure time based on the vibrations of atoms. Atomic clocks are so precise they lose only a second in millions of years and are used for scientific purposes and global time coordination. Number 6. Calendar systems. Beyond just hours and minutes, calendars allow us to measure days, months, and years. From the Gregorian calendar used by most of the world to other systems like the Chinese lunar calendar. Calendars help organize long-term time. Number 7. Wristwatches. Wristwatches are a portable way to tell time and have become a fashion statement as much as a functional tool. Both analog and digital varieties are popular, offering convenience and style. Number 8. Smartphones and smartwatches. With smartphones and smartwatches, time is just a glance away, along with other useful information like alarms, weather, and health tracking. These devices blend timekeeping with modern technology, making them indispensable tools. Number 9. Astronomical observations. Historically, people measure time by observing the phases of the moon, the position of stars, and seasonal changes. While less common now, astronomy still plays a role in understanding larger cycles of time, like years and centuries. Number 10. Biological clocks. Though not a physical object, the body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, regulates sleep, hunger, and other biological processes. We often feel time passing through these natural cycles, even without checking a clock. From ancient sundials to cutting-edge atomic clocks, the way we see and measure time are as varied as they are essential. Each method offers a different perspective on the passage of time, reflecting both of our technological advancements and our connection to the natural world, whether through the tick of a wristwatch or the rhythm of our own body. Time continues to shape every aspect of our lives. I hope you will like my video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.